Hello everyone, 안녕하세요 여러분. I'm Spencer and I'm here to teach you English. Today we're going to learn how to use the English preposition from. Today we're going to focus on how to use from when we talk about origins, time, distance, reason, and some other uses. So make sure you watch to the end, like, subscribe, and let's get started. First of all, from is used a lot when we talk about origins. Origin is the place where something came from. So an easy example to start is from plus the city, state, or country where you were born or where you came from. So you live there or you were born there. For instance, I'm from the US. I'm from the US. From can also be used in front of a thing. So you can say that something is from something else. This song is from my favorite TV show. This song is from my favorite TV show. This has two meanings. Either the song was made specially for the TV show, so it came from the TV show originally, or that's the first place I heard the song. So for me, personally, it came from the TV show. And lastly, you can say that you came from some place, like you came from home, work, or school, or any other place. For instance, I got home from work late again. I got home from work late again. Another very common way to use from is when we talk about time. Here, we're talking about the duration. So let's have a little quiz because there's another preposition that's used together with from. Try to fill in the blank with a correct preposition. I work from morning, night, without a break. I work from morning, night, without a break. What goes in the blank here? If you said to, until, or till, you're correct. So in this case, it's about duration. From morning to night. From morning until night. From morning till night. And of course, you can be specific with the hour. This class is from 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. This class is from 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. Another common use with from is with distance. So here you will say the distance or the traveling time from a place within a sentence. So what I mean is we are 5 miles from the nearest convenience store. We are 5 miles from the nearest convenience store. That means our current position is 5 miles away from the convenience store. My friends live 30 minutes from my house. My friends live 30 minutes from my house. Here, it's not clear if we mean by walking, by bicycle, or by car. But in the United States, if you say this, mostly you're talking about car, by vehicle, because people live far apart in most places in the US. You can get more specific and say, this cafe is a 10-minute drive from my home. This cafe is a 10-minute drive from my home. Here it means by car, it takes 10 minutes from my house to get to the cafe. Another use for from is to talk about the reason for something. In this case, you're going to use to be or to feel, and then an adjective. From doing something. I will give you a tip here. The adjective is usually negative. Let me give you 2 examples. I'm hungover from the party. I'm hungover from the party. Hungover means I drank alcohol the night before and now I'm feeling sick. So it is a negative feeling, right? To be hungover from the party. The reason I'm hungover is because of that party. Here's another example. I feel tired from running around for an hour. I feel tired from running around for an hour. Here again, the feeling is negative, tired. So to feel tired from running around, being busy for an hour. The reason I'm tired is I was busy and running around. Now for some other uses with from. Now there are many other uses, but I've just chosen some of the most common uses with vocabulary words that you'll use in your daily life. And I've chosen 7 of those. Let's start with the first one. To be different from somebody or something. To be different from somebody or something. He is different from his friend. He is different from his friend. The next one. To stop somebody from doing something. To stop somebody from doing something. Or to stop something from doing something. To stop something from doing something. Here are 2 examples. I stopped my little brother from eating crayons. I stopped my little brother from eating crayons. So he wanted to eat crayons, and I stopped that action. So he could not do it. We need to stop global warming from happening. We need to stop global warming from happening. Here it's a thing, global warming, and we need to stop its continuing. We need to stop it from continuing and from happening. You'll also see from when you use the verb prevent. So to prevent somebody from doing something, to prevent somebody from doing something, to prevent something from doing something, to prevent something from doing something. This is like the previous one, to stop, but prevent is a higher level vocabulary word. So you might say, don't prevent me from doing what I want. Don't prevent me from doing what I want. You could replace prevent with stop. Don't stop me from doing what I want. How do you prevent the ball from rolling away? How do you prevent the ball from rolling away? Here as well, you could say, how do you stop the ball from rolling away? Another verb that's used with from is discourage. To discourage somebody from doing something. To discourage somebody from doing something. This means that you give them advice and you try to stop them from doing something. But it's a little weaker than stop or prevent. Mostly you're just talking to them to try to stop them. So you see the difference here. We need to discourage him from lying. We need to discourage him from lying. So it's like saying we need to try to stop or prevent him from lying. You'll also use the verb keep with from. So to keep something from somebody. That means you're not telling them about it. So this is used a lot with words like secret or information. To keep a secret from somebody. To keep information from somebody. I never keep a secret from my best friend. I never keep a secret from my best friend. What about you guys? Do you keep secrets from your best friends? The next verb you'll see with from is protect. So to protect somebody from something or somebody. To protect somebody. Or to protect something from somebody or something. To protect something. So here, you're trying to keep that thing or person safe, right? You're keeping them safe. So you might say, I will always protect you from danger. I will always protect you from danger. He must protect his phone from damage. He must protect his phone from damage. Lastly, with from, the verb suffer. To suffer from something. To suffer from something. Here we often use some illness. So to suffer from a cold, to suffer from the flu, and so on. Are you suffering from a cold? Are you suffering from a cold? I hope that this video helped you to feel more comfortable using the English preposition from. Thank you so much for watching to the end. In the comment section down below, try to use from in a sentence, and I will check it and give you feedback. Again, thank you for watching to the end. Remember to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!